Hello everyone, my name is Devantala. Today we are talking about the Achimino learn all about the phylum of the starfish, the sea oceans, and the sea cucumbers. Now we are start the most famous Asian bird. You can say that it is the starfish. The starfish also it is often go to the cells. One often it is able to be stirred and this is not raw. The starfish is an etermidor. This is because it has they do not to be in this species. The word etermidors come from the Latin and mark is taken for the teeth. And here you go have to be something will be cells. The starfish because does an emissions it work advertised by say that they often go to and they live in at the rock of these oceans. Like when you use the hours or this, you know how to we have to be first. This is the as it is inverse stage brackets. The worms is very dangerous. They don't have backbone. When you use the starfish eat it. This is hard to rigor and not to be selfish. Which it has the starfish fly when you have the point in your hand for the cutting the 5 pitch of pizza. When you are sharpened for this, they not just come on to be chained amongst this intruder. The intruders, it is does not to be salvaged. They have to be bones. And interesting fact for this, as we learn it bestly, the simple chair calls until they become the adults. When this come to adults, this is not like assurance when you are the people say it. They're not under the children, if very dangerous, and just talk is they're not unwarranted. The water vegetation system is so anything else. The water is the speech short on thing it is. It's like rains. And the rains warnings is that the five not cells, five tails. And the five tails it is the low like pitch of the pizza or no. And the water controls the system. This is as to the morphine range for the billions formed in the bee shells. This the how and fried into the body and have to water. They look at themselves and they are looked down it as furnace. This is this not a plenty. I don't know how to use that's how we can do here. The tuber and the fish and is the pros. The another the starfish is very beautiful but is very dangerous. We have to be stuck here. We can have to be safe on the honor way and distribution to the honor chance. And the shape one things, this look it will be self first. The word up here is not word. Okay. The proteins from the periodon. The periodon is are not to be anything cells. The word up foreign musicians. This is the picture from this is the system. The system of the oceans not be go to the fish and the not be go to the starfish and the sea is ocean the sea cucumbers. The word in this review for the fact true or false. The starfish in live famous or this ancient dirt. False. Okay. This is the question. I don't know how to do this. The plant cucumber have to use the special kind of defenses measurements that is different from the other the exhibitors. For this plant for this are have civilizations to the start or no warrant and anything else. It is the seeds. What are more to slide strong and on the side estimators call. This is the Stuber calls. Good job, Jose. We are looking at the estimations learn about the fission, the starfish, the sea instruments, and the sea cucumber. Like when you are starting here, you can see them. They can don't talk them because the more the starfish, if you're then grows, this another thing they can the up the shakes or the nose. I don't know how to the starfish the which is the billions on this. Okay, this is the end from the video. I hope you enjoy it and see you next time. Take it, bye.